I am Burma. The military junta tell lies and deny our history, yet Islam has been present since the 8th century. During the time of the Abbasids, Harun al-Rashid, Arab merchants and traders spreading the words of Tawheed. Islam even ruled the lands for over 300 years. Along came the British. They colonized. This was their plan. Even after independence, they still had great influence over the land. Now we have a military regime who rule with an iron fist. By turning a blind eye and joining the persecutions, are there any Rohingyans left to exist? So as a young child, I traveled to find a new home. Around me are strangers and I feel all alone. A survivor of genocide, just one of a few. 15 of us on a fishing boat that was built for just 2. The stench of blood reeking from my clothes, the last remembrance of my family that I hold. It was almost lunchtime when I heard all the screaming. Men in orange robes pretending to come in peace while they murder without a cause, just like a deadly disease. The sounds of swords slash through skin and bone. I hear women, men and children moan. Flames engulf the village, one home at a time, while a blanket of smoke made blind to the world of this crime. My brothers and sisters are being killed because of their deen. Ya la ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah is all that we scream.